So I'm on my way in here to see what I got. Got notice again that I have friend mail. So I'm on my way in here to see what I got. Oh, wait a minute. Look at the pretty color packaging. I love this purple, my favorite color. Okay, guys, I'm so excited. Let's open this up here. I can't wait to go home. I gotta do it now. This here, it's beautiful. I gotta open this up. This here is a bracelet that my friend Sumner made for me. And if you haven't yet checked out their channel is Rob and Sumner. And I'll post her link here so you can see. And she made me this beautiful bracelet. My colors. Green. Oh my goodness, look at this. Can you see? Isn't that beautiful? It's got a K on it. And oh, look at the little doggy paw. Isn't that just, that's just the sweetest. Thank you so much, Sumner. I do appreciate it. This is absolutely beautiful. And the green, oh, there you go. And the green sparkly spacers. And then there's black sparkly spacer. And then the gold. Beautiful glass beads. And I love these colors. And actually, it goes with the shirt I have on today. So I am going to put this on right now. Love it. Thank you, Sumner. I love it. I absolutely love it. That is so kind of you. So I am going to wear this beautiful bracelet today. Again, Sumner's channel is Robin Sumner, and I will post her link. So check out their channel. All right, guys. I just got notice that not too long ago that my oldest son is in for a visit with 3 of my grandkids. So today I'm headed over to my mother's and I'm going to see him and my lovely daughter-in-law and my other son. And my other lovely daughter-in-law is away on vacation right now. She went to help a friend out of state, so I will not see her today, but I will get to see 5 of my grandsons. So that's really excited. I'm glad to see them, even though it is a short trip north. Man, my hair's a mess. All my curls fell out. Look at the gray. Look at the gray. Okay, I got sidetracked. All right, guys. See you soon. Thanks again, Sumner. Okay, guys, so I had a wonderful time with my sons and my grandsons, my nephews, my parents, my daughter-in-law. We had a really good time. Right now I'm home and I'm getting ready to go up on top of the hill. I need to weed eat around a sign I have up there on the back property, and I want to hang this birdhouse that I have. So I'm going to go run up and take care of that, and I'm exhausted. But they're calling for rain tomorrow, so I gotta hurry up and get some stuff done now that I can, so then I can go take a nap. Yeah, your girl needs a nap. I am wore out. Alright, guys. See you up on the hill. So when I bought this birdhouse, in all honesty, I don't know if I realized it opened from the side when I bought it. Who knows? All my other ones open from the front. So right now I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to get this screwed into this post. I do have a long screw bit, but it's just not long enough to fit in through the opening in the front to reach the screw in the back to get that screwed in. So I am going to try and screw it in from the side, which of course the screw is going to be at an angle, which I know is not good. But I do eventually get it up there, and well, eventually I go back later and try to secure it a little bit better. Some may say these birdhouses are way too close together, and well, they probably are. But I've never had a problem having birds in there nesting. They seem to like it, so, well, that's all that matters. The birds like it, it's fine with me. Yep, I'm still trying to figure this thing out. Next birdhouse I get, you know what? It's going to open from the front. No birds yet back here, but the ones up closer to the house, they've already started building their nests in those. I have these birds that come. I forget what they're called, and the male has this fluorescent, shiny blue head with a white breast. They are absolutely beautiful. I looked them up once before to see what they were called. I forget. Okay, guys. I watered my Christmas cactus, and look at all the ants that came out. I went ahead and put some liquid ant bait there. I've tried the cornmeal. I've tried the baking soda and sugar, and I mean, it worked for a little bit, but man, these ants, I had my plants outside, so I'm guessing they had hibernated all winter when I brought them inside, and now they are waking up. Okay guys, I figured I'd take a walk out here and fix this birdhouse that I put up the other day. It's really made kind of weird. I'll show you when I get there. Look, my grass needs cut again. See? Summertime is non-stop. stop here with me. All right, let me show you the birdhouse. See how these open in the front? So you can open that up and screw it up on the thing pretty easily. This one here does not open from the front. It opens from the side, which I'll show you here. Hang on. It opens from the side, which makes it hard to get. You need like one of those little tiny screwdrivers to get in there. I don't know who came up with this design, but anyway, I brought out a wood screw, so I'm going to try and attach it down here to make it a little bit more sturdy, because it is kind of wobbly. Well, I just split the wood trying to get that in there. All right, let's take it out and maybe put it underneath. All right, so I'm gonna put this screw down here so it'll sort of hold, just so it'll help hold it a little bit in there. Oh well, we'll see how it goes. This here is where, I guess you could say, my little pet cemetery here. I gotta get this cleaned up too. There are some, I forget what these plants are called. I don't know, is that a weed? I'm not sure. I do have a little bit of ferns back here. And I did plant some daisies, but look, see the tops? These little critters are out here eating them. All right, let me just get this, try to get cleaned up a little bit. Okay, so I got a lot of the weeds pulled out of here. Again, look how they're eating the tops off of these things. Not quite sure what they are, but I know it's frustrating. Two sleeping dogs and one sleeping cat. Okay, look at this interesting thing on the tree. Yeah, there's poison ivy growing, but look at these little dots. Something's in there pecking away at this tree. So these are some wildflower seeds that I had planted last year. They came in like a sheet, and you just laid the sheet down and watered it. And all these came up this year, a lot more than last year. I have no idea what this is. But it looks like all these came back. I don't know what this is either. I guess we'll find out. Looks like we got some growing over in this bed too. My mom's. All right, you know what? Let's go down to where I planted those other seeds. I think these are goners. I don't see anything new growing. Darn it. Hi, Winnie. I hear you up there grunting. And Cooper. Okay, I threw all those seeds out here, remember? I don't see anything. Deer tracks. I don't see anything new out here. All right, well, that was probably a waste of seeds, but I think what I'll do next time is rough up the dirt more. These are pretty, but I know that's a weed. Can you see the pretty bird up on top? It's got like a bright blue. I don't know if I can get close enough to him so you can see. Okay, so I Googled it, and they are called tree swallows. So I'll put a picture up here that you can see. He's probably gonna come after me and getting too close to the nest. Sorry, birdies. Yep, time to cut grass again. Jeez. I just cut it, what, 3 days ago? Got this little guy off of Temu. Of course I thought he was going to be much bigger, but I got to pay attention to what I buy from there in the description. But isn't he cute? And he'll hold some bird seed. So I'm going to go attach him to a tree out front. And I'll just put some bird seed in there.